Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. And today I'm going to do a review over a product that was sent to me to have checked out and use. Is from a company called Bottle. And obviously they're tumblers, glasses, stuff like that, bottled water, or beverage holders. And I guess basically in a nutshell, being a charter boat captain here in Florida, we always are wanting water, always drinking on the boat. You know, it's sometimes hard. You know, you open a can of something, you put it in the drink hole, it spills. These things are watertight. You can close them up. And not only that, the day starts off in the morning. Sometimes we're out there till, you know, evening, afternoon. You got hot, cold beverages. I got a coffee tumbler here that I can drink my coffee in the morning. It looks like I could put some soup or something in it. This is a 40-ounce water bottle. In the summertime, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be perfect. I go through some water. I will drink some water, and I really hate buying bottled waters. Now, for my clients, unfortunately, I have to give them bottled water just because it's a safety thing. You don't want to say, hey, here's a glass of water, you know, from a stranger. So that's just kind of common sense. So we do have bottled water on board. But for me, my wife, when my wife saw these, she rides a bike a lot. She likes to go hiking a lot. She was like, oh, I want that. I want that. And so I'm probably going to have her check these out and do this too. This is perfect for her. She's going to love this. I'm always watching her walk around with one of these giant cups. So this one's got the opening right there. Let's see what it is. That's a nice cup. Oh, that's nice stainless steel. Look, nice steel right there. Nice colors and all that kind of stuff. And it's got a little like rubber spot right here where the straw can go through that came with it. That's pretty nice. I like that. Yeah, the straw right there. Okay, that's cool. I like that. She's going to love that. And that's the 40-ounce bottled water. Resist odor, BPA free, prevent from splashing, purple green. That's a unique color. Let's see, this is an insulated water bottle. This one's, I can tell I'm going to like, because the word insulated water works for me. I'll tell you what, you can also tell this stuff, it's nice the way it's packed. It's packed like they care, which is cool. So, all right, this is, I can tell right now, this is all me on the boat right here. This is what I need right there. A couple straws, all that good stuff. That looks like that's going to hold some cold water all day. That's perfect. Put that right there. Then you got the coffee tumbler, which I found that to be really cool because I like to have soup a lot. So I'm thinking put some soup. I don't drink much coffee. That right there would be perfect for me. Oh, I bet you one of those is like to put sugar and stuff in it. But now I'm a straight up just black coffee, maybe a little bit of creamer. And it's supposed to keep it nice and warm. And then the last one here is the 24-ounce insulated bottle with dual use lid and storage room. Kind of curious to see what this is like. Just the storage. Let's see here what we got going on. See, this to me is another bottle that I could use. Oh, no way. Okay, so this bottom unscrews. Oh, that's cool. You know what? I'm at the age where I take, you know, certain pills for this and that, like a lot of people do out there. That's what I see that for right there. That's awesome, man. Okay, or even just put a couple of aspirins in there or something. Nice. This is nice. I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. I don't know why it smells. For some reason, it smelled fruity. Probably just me. So there you have it, people. The line of bottled waters, or bottling collection and all that kind of good stuff. Tumblers, coffee mugs, and all that kind of stuff. I think you're going to like this just as much as I do. That's a great product. I'm going to start using it today. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you.